Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are at the park once again, and yeah, it's a pretty nice day outside, so decided to come out and film today's video in the outdoors here. Found a nice bench here, so should work pretty well for today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to today's video. First off, this video is about basically shooting raw, and the reasons why I have chosen to shoot raw. And what I mean by that is, basically shooting raw, it doesn't necessarily mean shooting raw photos or shooting raw videos. It has to do really with more of the editing side of it. So what I mean by that is basically this video you guys are watching right now, it will either have minimal editing or like no editing at all. And what I've been doing is I'm trying to push myself really to put out videos for you guys and get better as a speaker really. So shooting raw means that there's not really like a place for me to kind of correct my mistakes, if that makes sense. Those of you guys who have done video work, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about on that. But yeah, so basically I've chosen to shoot raw because for years I've been editing my videos, and I've been cutting them here, cutting them there, and it's just so easy to do that. You can be talking about something and just cut, like any mistake you make, just cut. And so I'm trying something different. I don't really know how long this will last, but it is something I'm trying that will hopefully push myself to another level to where I will get more confident as a speaker, because lately I've been kind of out of the vlog whole thing for a while. So getting back into it, you have to kind of get comfortable with it again. So I've been really trying to do that. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. That's my plan and the reason why I shoot raw. I do highly recommend that you guys shoot raw as well, because it really does push yourself, just as I've said, it's pushing me. It pushes yourself to be more creative with the words you choose, and also just to be more creative with the video itself. For instance, for this video here, I walked around and I was thinking, where could I go where I would have like minimal distraction, where I wouldn't really have to cut anything out. And I found a good spot. This bench, I don't think I've ever shot a video at this bench before. So, it's a pretty nice find. Although I've been at this park before and I've shot videos here before, it's just really nice to find a good spot to really sit and talk one-on-one with you guys. So, like I said, I highly recommend shooting raw. Try to cut down on the editing of your videos. If you're just starting out on YouTube, welcome to the space. Hopefully you are successful with that. And yeah, I do think that if you're just starting out, a little bit of editing here and there is okay, but I think it's better at the very start of a YouTube career to just start raw and just put the video out there for people to see, and judge off of the reaction of people in the comments. Positive reaction, of course, not like all the negative comments people leave. It's ridiculous here on YouTube. But just judge off that and see if you should edit or if you should not edit, because I'm really a big fan of shooting raw. I've watched YouTubers that shoot raw, and I've watched YouTubers that edit their videos. And there's nothing wrong with both sides. Nothing wrong with raw videos, nothing wrong with edited videos, really. It's just more of like a personal preference. But I will say that when you shoot raw, I feel like there's more of a connection to the content you're creating. As a creator myself, I've been doing filmmaking for the last, I want to say like 12, 13 years at this point. Kind of off and on, just, a short film here and there, a vlog here and there. I've done travel videos too. I've done weddings. So I've done a little bit of everything. And with those kind of videos, of course, you'll edit those kind of videos because you don't want to shoot everything raw. But as far as like a one-on-one vlog kind of style, I would highly recommend shooting raw. Now, when it comes to gaming videos, you guys might see that I'll probably edit those videos because that's not really, I don't really feel that shooting raw applies to that. But we'll just have to kind of see what happens. It just kind of depends if I have good enough content with the gaming material to be able to just post it as is. But I don't really know how the gaming stuff's going to work out, so don't count on gaming videos just yet. I really want to push myself as a vlogger, and that's like my main focus right now. So gaming videos, I'm sure, will come kind of like here and there, but I don't think it's going to be something that I do solely as a main thing on this channel. But with all that being said, guys, that I just really wanted to let you guys know like the reasons why I shoot raw, yeah, hopefully it's kind of guided you guys at least a little bit into what you should do, because I know a lot of you guys that are just starting out on YouTube, you're not really sure how to do it. You're not really sure what tags to use, you know, how to add things to a playlist, or like, you know, what topics are good, what thumbnails, you know, you should use, what titles you should use. A lot of this stuff I've learned over time, and I'm willing to share it with you guys. So, you know, if you want to see videos like that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will shoot videos of that. I know I've shot a couple of tutorials in the past, but they're not on this channel right now, I don't think. But we'll have to see when I go back and I look through the videos on this channel. We'll have to see. I think I probably only did one video, but I look forward to doing more tutorials. So stay tuned for that, because that will be coming. With all that being said, guys, thank you guys for tuning in today's video. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.